Yes, so today I want to discuss about one business opportunity, that is vinegar. How to make vinegar, what are the uses and benefits, and all these we can discuss now. Vinegar. Take 200 ml acetic acid, add 300 ml dim water or RO water in that. Now your white vinegar is ready. So what we have to mix? Acetic acid and water. Now your white vinegar is ready. It is pure white vinegar. In the same way, you can sell in the market, inquire in the market for which price you have to sold. If you go in the market, you can learn all these easily. Acetic acid available in chemical shops only. In chemical shops only. Acetic acid available in chemical shops only. It is difficult to get in supermarkets. So get the details of those to get in wholesale prices. What is vinegar and how it is used, how it is made? Vinegar is an aqueous solution of acetic acid and trace chemicals that may include flavorings. Vinegar typically contains 8% acetic acid by volume. Usually, the acetic acid is produced by the fermentation of ethanol or sugars by acetic acid bacteria. There are many types of vinegar depending on source and materials. How is vinegar made at home? Good wine makes good vinegar, and good vinegar is a stellar cooking ingredient. Vinegar is a living ingredient created through the process of fermentation. Sugar is converted into alcohol, which is then fermented into vinegar. Not all acetic acids are vinegar, although all vinegars are made from acetic acid. In market, you can see apple cider vinegar, and it can be used in mixing fruit jams and fruit mixes also, for preservation and as well as for taste and as well as for health conditions also. And another vinegar we can make with baking soda and lemon also. That is also vinegar. But acetic acid is must in all vinegars are made from acetic acid. How do you make homemade white vinegar? How to make? To make your own vinegar, start by pouring equal parts wine and water into a sterilized jar. Alternatively, you can use hard cider or beer instead of wine. Next, add vinegar starter at the jar and seal the jar with a cheesecloth or paper towel and a rubber band. Does vinegar kill cold germs? If you are looking for a more natural cleaning agent, look no further than your cooking cabinet. Vinegar is a natural product that is shown to kill cold and flu germs. It is 5% acetic acid, and the acetic acid is what kills bacteria and viruses. Mix hot water and vinegar for the best results. So many uses of vinegar is there, and as well as in the market also apple vinegar is available, and books are also available with 70% wonderful vinegar uses and benefits also. Books are also available. You can see the books also in Google and in YouTube also. Does vinegar kill germs in laundry? Using vinegar to disinfect laundry. Vinegar has acetic acid which can kill viruses and bacteria. For a bit of added disinfectant and deodorizer in your clothes, you can add a half cup of white vinegar to the rinse cycle. Not only will this help to kill those pesky germs, but it is also works as a fabric softener also. Is vinegar good for laundry? Brightening and whitening clothes. The acetic acid in distilled white vinegar is so mild that it will not harm washable fabrics, yet is strong enough to dissolve residues, that is alkalis, left by soaps and detergents. Adding just one half cup of vinegar to the fee. Can you soak meat in vinegar? Just add a tablespoon of two or just can you soak meat in vinegar? Just add a tablespoon or two or of white vinegar to your cooking liquids and your roasts. Stew meats and steaks will come out tender and juicy every time. Another option is to pierce your meat all over with a fork and then soak it in vinegar for an hour or two before you cook it. What should you not use vinegar on? What you should never clean with vinegar: granite and marble countertops. But cleaning with vinegar is good, but not for granites and granite and marble countertops. The acid in vinegar can etch natural stone, says 40, stone floor tiles, egg stains or spills, irons, hardwood floors, truly stubborn stains. Does vinegar disinfect flu virus? Vinegar is a natural product that is shown to kill cold and flu germs. It is 5% acetic acid, and the acetic acid is what kills bacteria and viruses. Mix hot water and vinegar for the best results. Hydrogen peroxide, another common household item, can also be used to kill bacteria and viruses. Will vinegar kill plants? Vinegar gets a lot of buzz as a miracle gardening product. Manufacturers claim the product kills weeds, fertilizers, the soil, and even combats plant diseases. Vinegar is an acid and can cause damage to plants, although it probably will not kill flowers. Just the same, use it with caution in the garden. So vinegar will not be useful for plants and all these, because indirect acetic acid will be there, so that it will give some harm, but it won't harm flowers and seeds in the ground. Does vinegar kill germs on fruit? Cleaning produce with vinegar helps kill bacteria. Why it will kill bacteria in fruits means already acetic acid 5% will be there, so that it will kill bacteria to ensure your fruits and vegetables are safe for consumption. How does vinegar help plants? Due to its burning effects, using vinegar in the garden has been touted as a cure all for a number of garden affections. Most notably weed control. The acetic acid of vinegar dissolves cell membranes, resulting in desiccation of tissues and death of the plant. So, in gardens and all these, don't use vinegar. But at the time of any insects will come on the plant means, then you can use vinegar with water to pour on the plants, but not all. Only if infections are there and the insects are there so many, then you can use it, but it should not be regular. Does vinegar kill biofilm? Acetic acid is present in vinegar in a 5% concentration, which has been used in medicine for thousands of years. We have discovered that not only does acetic acid kill planktonic bacteria, but it also eradicates bacteria growing in biofilms. What is in vinegar that kills bacteria? Acetic acid can act as a disinfectant that can destroy some bacteria and viruses. How long should you soak fruit in vinegar? A Facebook post says to fill a sink with water, add 1 cup of vinegar and stir, then soak the fruit for 10 minutes and it will sparkle with no wax or white, dirty film. Does vinegar disinfectant produce? Washing fruits and vegetables in vinegar is a good way to remove potential bacteria. Use a solution of for this you can use white vinegar for cleaning fruits and all these. Use a solution of 3 parts water and 1 part vinegar. Plain water is also effective at removing most bacteria, but vinegar is added, it is something better. Vinegar will not make produce last longer. What is the best homemade vegetable wash? How to save money? So for this 5 DIY fruit and vegetable washes are there. 2 cups of cold tap water, 1/4 cup of white vinegar and 2 tablespoons lemon juice, 1 cup of cold fresh water, half cup of white vinegar, 1 tablespoon lemon juice and 1/8 tablespoon grapefruit seed extract. This video recommends mixing water and white vinegar together for a powerful veggie soak. This is the information I want to share about vinegar. So this vinegar will be useful so much in almost all areas of cleaning and antibiotic and bacterial infections to clear in fruits and all this. So we can use it vinegar also. So basically in vinegar what will be there is the main product is acetic acid. That is the information I want to share with you. If you want to become an independent entrepreneur, you should have it training of at least 1 to 6 months of time under a making unit. Then you can become an independent entrepreneur. But one thing I will say that in every product making, 70% will be the working cost and 30% will be the margin. Without margin, how you can run the business? So you should also get some amount, so that you should have a moral ethics and scale also. That scale is, moral scale is 70% is the working cost and 30% will be your margin. If you maintain such a scale in the long run, you will get a standard business. And as well as one thing I will say that don't compromise regarding quality. Quality should not be reduced, but customer will forget for the time being regarding the cost, but quality no customer will forget. So beware of it. So don't compromise regarding the quality. Quality should be 100% pure and correct. And cost may be increased or decreased also. That is according to your I said the formula 70% working cost and 30% margin. That that scale you can maintain. That will not give any effect. But this is the information I want to share you and get. If you want to start independently, being an entrepreneur, take the legal permissions and all these, and give ads also in Google Business. In Google Business also photos and videos and one web page is there. That is enough. But don't spend too much of money on advertising. Why I am saying is, advertising too much is not give any will not fulfill the necessities. Vinegar purchasing units will be specifically will be there. So all will not be purchased like FMCG goods. So be careful and be sincere. Then in the long run you will get very good benefit. May God bless you.